What does a lighted wrench on your dashboard or MID screen mean? The lighted wrench is part of your vehicle's maintenance minder system, which notifies you when your vehicle needs service. Maintenance Minder measures and records sensor readings at various points in your vehicle to determine when is the optimal time to have it serviced. When your engine runs at higher temperatures during short trips, frequent starts and stops, or hilly terrain, the oil life will deplete faster than driving under more normal conditions at lower RPMs. Oil is a major contributor to your engine's performance and longevity. If you drive the vehicle with insufficient or deteriorated oil, the engine may fail or be damaged. When the oil life reaches 15%, you'll see the Maintenance Minder indicator wrench turn on. Along with the wrench indicator, a maintenance code will appear on your dash, informing you of which items need servicing. When the oil life reaches 5%, the service is due now. If the oil life reaches 0%, the service is overdue, and it will show the number of miles overdue with a negative sign in front of it. This number will flash until you have the vehicle serviced. Your vehicle also uses codes to help you decipher what is required for service. These codes consist of a main code by itself or a main and a subcode. The codes may seem confusing, but in your owner's manual, there is a page under the maintenance section with all the codes. The main code A indicates that you just need to replace the engine oil, while B indicates you need to replace the engine oil, oil filter, inspect the front and rear brakes, and check the parking brake adjustment, etc. The subcodes are additional maintenance items that need to be checked or serviced with the main code. These codes may vary depending on your model and trim. Check your owner's manual for your vehicle's specific codes. So, for example, if the code A2 is displayed on your dash, your dealer will only need to change the oil and replace your interior air filter. Other service facilities may have you replace the oil filter unnecessarily and may not even replace your cabin filter. Honda dealers try to ensure that not only is your vehicle efficient, but so is your service. The Maintenance Minder system is also intelligent enough to group your service items together so you don't have to go to the dealer as often. For example, if the drive belt inspection is scheduled to be done at 30,000 miles, but your oil life percentage will reach the end of its service life at 29,000 miles, the Maintenance Minder system will move the belt inspection up so you won't have to come back for service in another 1,000 miles. Visit your local Honda dealer when you see the little wrench icon, or stop by any Honda dealer that offers express service for quick, easy, and affordable service.